Hello, the Empire strikes again with another great game. Lichdom Battlemage. And now it's time to roll the propaganda. So, welcome to Let's Play Lichdom Battlemage. We are here. I don't know anything about this game, but kind of, as I heard, interprets the way of myself becoming the Holy God Emperor. Very good. So, as we are here, trying to choose which character we choose. Should we go female, like typical Tomb Raider style, or more likely the badass male? I don't know. Well, I certainly like to have a pair of tits, so let's do that. Yes. Swoosh.
You finished my necklace. It took you long enough.
Only because you're so picky about details.
Or because you're so grand since those noble ladies came by. You're too busy for... Oh, good day, sir.
Yes, I require a gift for my daughter. That necklace will do. The one with the emeralds.
That one's spoken for, sir. Can I show you something else? I have a lovely opal pendant.
Did I ask you for an opal pendant?
My sister's necklace isn't for sale, my lord. Now, does your daughter like earrings? Because I have...
All right. If not the necklace, I'll take the girl wearing it. I promised my daughter a gift, and she does go through slaves rather quickly.
What? Whoever you are, you can get the hell out of my shop. Now!
Oh, really? Captain Rogero, why don't you show our friend here what happens when people displease me?
With pleasure, my lord.
You dare? Oh, your insolence has a price. It will cost you one sister. I want you to remember this moment. The moment you realize I can take anything I want.
She'll fetch a good price.
No! Bastards! You can't do this!
Oh, but I can. This city is ours.
They came in the night, like parasites, feeding off the life of the people. The cult of Malthus, a group bent on chaos and destruction, cast a spell over the land, your home. The spell creates a fugue-like state that makes people easy prey. I've traveled a great distance to face my old enemy, but I need a weapon. Someone with the strength to wield my magic. That someone is you. Now, wake up. Wake up, my dragon.
All right. Who the hell are you?
Be careful. You're still weak. My name is Roth. And as for what's happening, well, look at your wrists. What do you see?
Oh, God. Tell me I didn't steal these from anyone important. What are they?
They are my gift to you. With them, you will wield unlimited power. Leave us.
Yeah, sure.
Wait. What the hell's going on?
Come. I will tell you more as we walk. What do you remember of your old life?
So we're
Before
finally
or after Count
in-game.
Shax destroyed it. He and Rogero kidnapped my sister. After that, Everything gets fuzzy.
That was the spell. Count Shax is...
He's running away! Bastard!
Hold up. Ah!
Wait, can I just stand here and do nothing? And the game will just project... Ah. Yeah, whatever. Shut the fuck up. So I'm maxed out on,
What is it you want from me?
on graphics, and the frame rate is quite fuzzy. I don't know why. Oh, look at
Begin
that.
with the men who wronged you. But first, you need more power. Come. There is a place where you can rebuild your strength.
Yeah, whatever. What? I wanted to look at that guy. Oh, so sexy.
The bracers are purging your body of the cult's magic. It's unpleasant, I know, but necessary. Your very presence awakens the city, but not enough to break the spell. I'll show you. Let's see what the night holds. Your first arcane sigil is fire, the essence of destruction. Now be still. This might hurt a bit.
Did I pass out again?
No. You died.
I'm sorry. What?
These vortex pools are connected to the gem in your bracers. With them, you will no longer fear death.
Wow. Just... damn. So now what?
Now you gain your revenge. Your goal is my reliquary. There you will find more sigils. But be warned, the cult will be coming for you.
So, you hand me all this magical power and just vanish?
Yeah. He's gone.
So, finally, we are here with our evil powers to rule. And as with it, fire is destructive as shit. Oh, I love that. Let me sprint forward here. Oh, target casting. That's an unusual way of tutorial, but okay. What was that? Who wants to fight me? Burn in hell, motherfucker! Wah! Stupid shit! What you... Wait. I'm glitching down. No, not anymore. Something happened. Whatever. Choo!
We've been waiting.
Dead. Even more dead. Let me explore a bit here. Can I put that on fire? No, I can't. Got some shit here going on right away. Oop. Stairs! Blocking!
The barrier spell can be used for both attack and defense. Use it well.
Roth? How the hell are you talking in my head?
It's the Force! It can do anything! Okay. Here's someone. Oh, did you die? You're just a lousy bastard, aren't you? Can't even
The
fight me.
braces shield you from harm, to a point. Death will come once all 3 wards are drained.
Whatever.
I know you're there.
Oh, that was fucked up. Come on, punch me! I can't attack! What the fuck?
Down bigger prey than you.
Yeah, come on. Die! Like everyone else does. Oh, the grass is burning. Oh, nice and cozy here. Oh, I can jump. Can I do something else then? Wait. Can't even open the controls menu. Oh.
The last pattern will defeat your enemies from afar. With it, you can lay waste to an area and all those inside.
Ha! Get out of my way.
Yes! Evil strikes! Die! Whatever you are. Hello. Hold F.
These reliquaries were created for my dragons, but now the cult of Malthus is using them to drain life from the people.
So is dragon just for me? Or are there others?
There were. I chose each for their strength and their desire for revenge. When you find a reliquary, you can draw new sigils and craft better spells, and in doing so, further break the cult's hold on the land.
So the reliquaries let me build more power, huh? That's all I need to hear.
Ice. Yes, I am.
There you are.
What was that?
Oh, 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 oh. What the fuck?
Don't be afraid. Your knowledge will stay with you, even beyond death.
Wait, I have questions. What was that? Some kind of demon? Roth? Roth! Damn it.
Okay. Now we're getting really into the badass. Oh. Well, I guess it's good. Or not, I don't fucking know. What the fuck? That looks perfectly icy.
Nice time to dance.
What?
Shax is not here, but someone else is. Captain Rogiro is below.
Rogiro. Really? I've been hoping for a shot at him.
No time to rest.
asleep, but the dead. This is a damn nightmare.
No, this is very real. The cult created the newly undead, and you'll find the source in the catacombs under Dravasser.
So can I, do I have time now? Scissor assignment. Wait. That doesn't bring me anything. One sigil upgrades. Direction guide, inventory, and spell crafting. There it is. Press the I button. It started. So eyes. Strategic shield. Yeah, where the fuck? Yeah. Just do it. And now what? Can I do something else here? No? No more enemies? No one who wants to mess with me? Because we're just over pro. There's just so one way. Hold on, let's go. Oof. Oh, fading out. Quite the British man here. Sipping a cup of tea. Well, I guess I don't have anything better to do than just drink my fucking shit tea on this Death Star too. And be mad at my apprentice. But these loading screens, they're taking its time, for sure. Now shit is going to happen? Whatever. The game does that quite often in the loading screens. Just stopping in a way of nonsense reason. Making me mad at all. Finally!
What? How are you awake? Damn it!
Zero! How the hell did he do that?
Oh, good job. Oh. Oh, look at that. That's a tree. That's a motherfucking tree. It's glorious. I like that. Blink. Yeah. Good. No then.
It's creepy. But I'm not so easy to scare, right? Oh god, it's alive.
That crow is just bugging out. Hello there. Hey. Whoa.
You've just harvested Etheria, the essence of the fallen. Use it to craft new spells.
Oh. Crafting! That's good. I guess. That does not sound nice. I better... Oh. That's maybe a chasing scene, so I'm better running.
Now I'm seeing lights. What on earth?
I can't kill it. I bet that's pure magic. Pure... dark side. What is that?
This could get really ugly. The cult's messing with the dead now. I get twitchy just thinking about it.
You have the braces, Dragon, and the strength to use them. Do not doubt yourself now.
Oh, I can do it. With these weapons, try and stop me.
That can't be Roth's ghost. And another dragon.
I'm seriously afraid right now. Oh. Persistent pool? What? Oh, my sound's on the... I don't have legs. So many questions and no answers! What is this? Shield. Okay. Sigil upgrade. Yeah, what can I upgrade here? You know. Whatever. What can I do here? I don't fucking know. Okay. Sounds somewhat... Oh. Yeah. Like it ever is needed. And you're dead. That's all? I guess. Dot, 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 dot. Come on! Bring it! Oh. That's just something! What idiotic! Come on! Just do it! Do it!
I drew on that rift, and there were ghosts in it. You want to tell me what that was about?
Not ghosts, but echoes, reflections of the past, cast by those with ties to you or the cult.
So now we know what the kidnappers are up to. And these echoes supply components for my spells. I'm not complaining.
Oh, I'm gonna like this. I wonder what happened to the other dragon.
Kind of mysterious. So, that was quite a good experience here for the start. I don't understand why people dislike this game so much. Nice doorway. So, but for this, I'm all out of time for this episode. So, I will see you again in the next one. And if you want to join the Empire, the glorious Empire of Gaming, how's it called? Subscribe in this reality. Please leave a like and maybe a comment. Goodbye.